Quality diamonds, we got the best diamonds.
That's facts. Anything you want from flawless, VVS, VS, we got them all.
We're most known for our color, clarity, and cut. That's why they said we got the status diamonds.
And custom pieces are not that complicated of a process.
No.
Anything you all want on custom piece, we can make it happen. All you gotta do is give us some ideas and the budget. People ask us like, yo, what's the price on
What's
this?
the price? What does it cost?
That's not how it works. Like, you just gotta give us a basic idea and give us a budget. Then we can process it like, alright, for your budget, we can give you a certain size of piece. And the good stuff that you need, like the dimensions, the size, the diamonds, the carat, the weight, that comes when we make the blueprint and 3D design. You're gonna get a clear vision of how the piece is gonna look like.
After you get the clear vision, we get started on the CAD and you finalize on it. That's when we get started on the materials, in the wax, in the mold.
The casting, the rendering, the buffing, the polishing. There's a lot of work to it.
It's a lot of work.
That's why it
So
takes
3 to 4 weeks. 3 to 4 weeks. So after the 3 to 4 weeks, your dream custom project is finally finished. After we bring your piece to you and you love your design, that's when you go ahead and tell your other friends,
get your status up.
get your status up.